In a previous video, I talked about ways that you can edit and give comments and feedback to students by using comments, by using automatic substitution, video comments, and an extension called Kaizena. One that I did not feature in that video, in that post, was an extension called CheckMark. One of the reasons was because CheckMark was limited to the comments that you can give. They were pre-made and there wasn't any real customization features to where you can write your own comments or add different things until recently. They just recently made an update that allows you to add different comment abbreviations. You can modify the ones that are already there or add plenty of rows. It also works in Google Slides now that Google Slides has allowed us to give individual comments instead of a comment to the whole slide. So this is called CheckMark right here, and I'm going to show you how it works. Here's a sample essay right here. Well, the first thing when I'm in a doc or anything, the first thing I need to do is make sure that I have the extension enabled. So I have it right here. I am sync. That just means that I am logged in with my Gmail account. That way all of my comments will sync together. And I'm going to click enable. Now, a reason why you would normally want this disabled is if I was not editing a document and I highlighted something, I would not want these to show up. But you can see this is a nice thing right here. I have this highlighted and I have these two rows of abbreviations right here. So I might click this one and it automatically puts the comment in here, discussion needed. Now I can make those longer if I wanted to by going up to my CheckMark app, clicking the little pencil next to preview. And now what I could do here is I can add one more onto this row. I might say revise this sentence. Okay, and I might put a few more on there. You can see that the row just keeps overflowing to another row. I can add onto this next row, or I can add even more rows. So I can keep going, add a couple more rows. I don't know if there's really a limit, but I don't think, just based on what I'm seeing right here, you probably never would hit that limit unless you're giving a lot of different options, in which case it might take you a while to actually go through them. I'm just going to click apply so that we have them right here. So now if I select this, see I have all my different options right here. And it looks like, although on the app or on the extension it went to the next row, it looks like it would just continue going on and on. So I can add a comment right there, and I can let's see if I can add another comment. It doesn't look like I can add multiple comments. Oh, it looks like I do have this selected. Let's see here. No, it does not look like I can add multiple comments to the same thing. So for that case, I would have to reply or edit, or just choose a few different things. So I can go boom, boom, but let's try selecting both of these. And I can't make that comment. And that's normal, because when I am, even if I was, if I already made a comment on here, or if I had a whole big, if I did something with this whole paragraph, like I put evidence needed. Okay, I can't just make little comments for a word because I've already added one to the whole paragraph. So that goes with anything, not just this extension. I don't know if that's something that Google will allow us to do, to put multiple comments to a word later. But I really like this extension with the way that you can just kind of customize it to your own. You don't have to have Google Keep in there. You could put those video links in there as well. It definitely does save time on the customization. And I like how when you select, it's right there with your mouse. So it's not that you have to select, go over to the side, and then enter in a comment. So this is a really good tool. I hope it continues.